आज के शेफ हैं चंदीप सिंह छाबड़ा। पापा छाबड़ा, क्या बना रहे हैं आज आप? What's in the kitchen?
Broken eggs.
Broken eggs. Brad doesn't like broken eggs.
When you break the egg on the tawa, you kind of make an omelette.
Oh my goodness. This is all by me. ये सब मैंने किया है, इसमें से चंदीप का कोई भी हाथ नहीं है, सिर्फ हाथ चंदीप का इसी में ही है ऑमलेट बनाने में। आपको कैसा लग रहा है आज ऑमलेट बना के?
Now it's fine.
Now it's
Yeah, when I started, I was cringing. Now it's fine.
oh, now you're not cringing?
No, not anymore.
Okay. So we hope we'll get good omelets.
ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं अपने roommates के लिए खाना बना रहा हूँ. The old days are back.
ये एक बैग पड़ा है, ये You are inside this?
Yeah,
How did you fit?
because I can fit.
Oh my
Look
goodness.
at this. Look at this.
Crazy stuff.
Look at this.
Yeah, I'm looking at it. Let's lock 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 Rahat inside. He will not be able to come out.
I'm not scared.
Uh-oh. All right.
Because I know you're not gonna lock me forever.
And the omelette is ready. Finally. Looks so colorful, so delicious. And the chef has now gone to wash the hands. So let's wait and see what he has cooked and how yummy is this food. Finally, the chef is back with his peanut butter. Now he will sajaofy everything. He will make sure that everything on his bread is full of protein.
No, not true. Peanut butter is fat.
It has protein also.
Yes, but mostly unsaturated fats.
He has made his bite. How's it?
Good.
Just because you made it.
No, it's actually good.
Okay. How about coffee?
Coffee is good. Ever good.
It's always good. Coffee is always good.
Yeah, and I drank coffee too.
Why?
Because I love drinking coffee.
Such a small boy. You should not drink coffee.
Even I drank so much coffee. But when I woke up, Nanima always gives me coffee.
No, it was not coffee. It was Bonvita in cold milk.
What?
Yes. इसलिए अब खाने की तैयारी हो रही है. So we are in the process of making a biryani. So you can say chicken biryani, ki chicken and some masalas and what everything will go inside the chicken. So getting ready, and once it's ready I will show you how it was. And this is how the biryani looks after 1.5 hours. टेम्पटिंग लग रही है देखने में, तो बाकी खाने में जब हम खाने बैठेंगे तब देखते हैं कि क्या होगा. अच्छी बनी है कि फजीदी हो गई है. हाउ इज द बिरयानी?
It's very carbohydrate.
That's not what I meant. I meant how is it in flavor?
Carbohydrate-ish flavor. It's good. I like it.
Like it?
It's good. Give me energy for tomorrow.
Yeah, you have a PT tomorrow.
I'm sad to be scared of muscle ups now.
Finally, I have planned to come in the frame. सुबह से मैं frame में नहीं थी. I was behind the camera, now in front of camera. But don't mind my hair and the mess. But it's Saturday and Saturdays are usually crazy क्योंकि पूरे week की तैयारी करनी होती है and then you know there's a lot of stuff that you need to do. But आज Saturday में I'm about to clean the chest of drawers that I have So I'll just walk you through that first. What is happening is that, okay, this is the stuff that I use. This is my office work, but this is the chest of drawers that I have, and I need to empty all of it. इसमें mostly मेरा सामान है. If you see, it's all skincare, then some cosmetics. मतलब अगर मैं चाहूँ तो ये I can start to sell it also. Then it's bag full of perfumes. There are some that I have in India, but I'll get them. And the last one is there's some hair care and some hair color. So this needs to get cleaned. There's something which is like an everyday stuff that we need. These are car keys and everything, basically the whole everyday stuff. So this full chest of drawers is mine, and I need to clean this. I need to get rid of a lot of things, and I need to either donate some of them and see what next is to be done. But this is going off. This is going to Arlene's house, and we'll see what do we need to do next with this space. हद तक मैंने ये वाला ड्रॉर और ये वाला ड्रॉर क्लीन कर दिया है. दिस इज़ बेसिकली माई एवरीडे स्टफ जो मुझे चाहिए, बिकॉज वी आर स्टिल हियर फॉर अबाउट अनदर 7 weeks. सो दिस इज़ देयर. This is yet to be done because this is all last stuff. It's all perfumes here. So this needs to go and get wrapped properly, and I think this will be the last one that I will do. But yes, abhi ke liye I am done with this, and I am done with this. This I'm sure is going to happen at the last day, because this is like everyday stuff. So yeah, all set, and just few more hours and this will be gone. Alright guys, it's the next day, which is Sunday. This Saturday Sunday is lazy as ass. कुछ ना कल किया ना कुछ आज करने वाले हैं. जो आज करने वाले हैं उसका व्लॉग अलग से आने वाला है, सो स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर दैट. बट कोई और कुछ नहीं करने वाला है. इट्स जस्ट मी हु इज़ डूइंग इट, एंड आई एम वेरी स्केर्ड फॉर इट. So wait for the vlog to come out. But as usual, it's a lazy Sunday. We've taken bath. Chandeep is going for his PT session today. PT की full form? Personal training. So PT की full form is personal training. He's taking personal trainings from a couple of weeks now. Couple of weeks now? It's been 3-4 weeks already. No. So he's actually started to do headstand. If I get a clip, I'll try and insert it here. But अगर उसने नहीं दी तो मुझे पता नहीं है. तो हाँ, handstand, headstand नहीं, handstand. Sorry, correction. Handstand. I will link the clip here. I will ask her. हम थोड़ा गिड़गिड़ाना पड़ेगा, but that's okay. So yeah, the day is as usual, and lazy as crazy. Lazy as crazy. वाह, क्या लाइन है ये, कि मतलब कोई सेंस नहीं है इस लाइन का, बट फिर भी मैंने बोल दिया. बट एनीवेज, ब्रेकफास्ट इज़ रेडी. मैंने और रहत ने एक्चुअली ब्रेकफास्ट कर लिया. जनदीप इज स्टिल वेटिंग. आई डोंट नो वो आने के बाद करेगा या पहले करेगा, बट हमने कर लिया है क्योंकि हम बुखर थे, तो हमने कर लिया. जिम में ट्रेनर. सो बिहाइंड द सीन्स जनदीप इज सेइंग कि जिम में ट्रेनर के साथ खाना खाएंगे, और उसका खाना कुछ ऐसा ग्रेट नहीं होता है. ही इज़ रेगुलरली ईटिंग द सेम काइंड ऑफ फूड since last 4 years. So he will eat that only, which is his vegetables and bread and eggs. So healthy diet, you know. So yeah, that's it for right now. We'll just have normal food. Probably there's some work that I'll have to do, and Rahit is playing on his computer, because that's the only time when he gets, which is Saturday and Sunday, जो वो use करता है fully. So yeah, stay tuned and wait for the next vlog to come. But this is continuing till the evening, so stay tuned and be with me. Bye bye.
Alright guys, Sunday is finally coming to an end. Of course, there was a lot that I have not covered in the vlog because that will come separately. I've vlogged everything, so that will come after this, so stay tuned for that. And it's something that I wanted to do from a very long time and I finally done it, so you will go and watch that. But yes, we're now coming to an end to Sunday. Weekend has gone, and of course the weekday will start from Monday. We're planning to see what is coming on Netflix and Amazon, and that's how we'll end the day. And the food is on the way since it's Sunday, so it's going to be a party. And from tomorrow I am going on my 15-day challenge of not eating anything sugar, not eating anything from outside. So this is the last night that I can have food from outside, and from tomorrow it is going to be a very strict and healthy diet. So I will cover everything and I will see that, you know, what I have actually achieved in 15 days. I will not keep it for 30 days this time because 15 days is still achievable. So I'll start with that. You can watch that also. So there is a lot coming up, guys, so stay tuned. See the journey of what happened today and see the journey of my 15 days of not eating junk and sugar from outside. So stay tuned and see you soon. So, oh wait, actually there is food coming, so let's see what we have ordered. So stay tuned. Wait, don't go, okay? Don't go. Wait. Sorry. तो भूख लग रही थी, हमने फटाफट खाना आया और खा लिया. खाने में आया था पिज़्ज़ा एंड हमने वो खा लिया. अब डेजर्ट्स रह गई हैं, वो आने वाली हैं. तो आई होप आई बी एबल टू कैप्चर देम, बट इफ़ आई मिस देम अगेन, so please excuse me, but I will try to insert the footage. अगर मेरे पास मैंने ले ली, अगर नहीं ली तो this is a tata and bye bye and see you soon in the next vlog. Until then, bye. Wait, try करती हूँ footage डाल दूँ, अगर नहीं डाल पाई तो I'm sorry. Finally, the ice cream is here. I am going to have it. This boy is going on the call, but I am having my ice cream. So finally, it's the end. I am eating vanilla ice cream and see you soon. Bye bye.